The YouTube Shorts algorithm is changing fast, and if you don't adapt, you'll miss out on millions of views. That's right, the game has shifted. If you know how to play, you can explode overnight. Algorithm exposed. Let's break it down step by step. First up, what does the algorithm actually want? It's obsessed with two things: watch time and engagement. If people watch your short all the way through, or even better, loop it a few times, you're golden. And if they smash that like button or drop a comment, the algorithm goes, okay, this is hot. Remember, retention equals viral. Now let's talk content strategy. Don't overthink it. Look at what's blowing up right now. Gaming wins, funny clips win, lifestyle moments win. Your key? Hook them in the first 3 seconds. Make them stop scrolling. Keep your short under 30 seconds. And always use trending sounds. It's like a cheat code. Timing is everything. I post my best shorts between 6 and 9 p.m. That's when the most people are online, ready to engage. But here's the real secret. Consistency beats perfection. Don't worry about making it flawless. Just press upload, do it again tomorrow, and don't ignore the techie stuff. Tags, titles, hashtags, they matter. Use hash shorts, hash viral, hash trending every single time. Make your title pop and your tags relevant. A killer title plus the right hashtags equals an instant SEO boost and way more reach. Now here's the truth most people won't tell you. Anyone can go viral if you follow these steps. The algorithm rewards creators who never give up. It doesn't care if you have 0 subs or 1 million. All it cares about is, are people watching? So are you ready to go viral? Smash that subscribe for more growth hacks, and let's take over YouTube one short at a time. Go make your video. Go viral now.